the fear has gone, there will be nothing. Only I will remain. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. My name's Hayden, and I'm your instructor this semester for Calculus 1. My full name's Hayden Ringer, but you could probably just call me Hayden. A little bit about me. I like to play the cello, and I'm also interested in amateur astronomy. I am 5'11". That's all I'm going to say about myself. I have nothing more to tell you about me. I'm a mystery man. This semester, we're teaching this class in a hybrid model. That means we're going to have a mix of online and in-person instruction. For the online portion, we have pre-recorded video lectures for you to watch each week. For the in-person component, you'll be assigned to attend one recitation section each week. In addition, on Fridays, we'll have a full class online review session. Let's talk a little bit about our class schedule for each week. On Mondays, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, we have our face-to-face recitations. You'll be assigned to attend on one of these days. In recitation, we'll do group work on application problems and practice problems for that week's material. You'll be required to attend your assigned recitation each week. On Thursdays, we have our online recitation. This is optional and is intended as a backup for students who couldn't make their face-to-face session earlier in the week. On Fridays, we have our online review session. This is for the entire class. We'll go over the material that was covered that week, as well as doing group work on practice problems. Like the recitation sessions, the Friday online review is also required. Yep. For this class, we're going to have 3 different types of assignments throughout the semester. The first category is written homework. Written homework will be due each week, and each assignment will typically have just 3 to 5 problems. Since these problems tend to be challenging, you're encouraged to work in groups. However, your final submission needs to be written up independently. The purpose of the written homework is to help prepare you for test questions, some of which can be pretty tough. Our next category is quizzes. You'll have 1 quiz per section of the material, and you'll take these quizzes online via Canvas. The purpose of these quizzes is just to check your understanding of the basic concepts. Our last category is Webassign. You'll have 2 Webassign quizzes each week, as well as 4 cumulative assessments that are spread out through the semester. The purpose of the Webassign quizzes is just to help you practice the basic techniques. Let's talk a little bit about tests. This semester, you'll have 4 midterm exams. Those midterms will have multiple choice and free response sections. We'll also have what's called the derivative test this semester, and we'll talk about that more as we get closer to it. And then you'll also have, of course, a final exam, and that will also have multiple choice and free response sections. Here are some tips for being successful in the class. Tip number 1, keep up with the video lecture schedule. It can be really easy to fall behind because, you're responsible for deciding when you watch them. Tip number 2, like I said earlier, work in groups on the homework. Tip number 3 is to come to office hours. Each week I'll have several office hours that we'll hold over Zoom. This is your chance to ask me questions and to get feedback on your work, and maybe just to chat if you want to talk. I think that's cool too. I'm excited to help you this semester learn calculus, and we're going to have a really good time.